in time, doing my best not to lose my mind. Be still, don't upset yourself. She'll be here very soon, with a smile on her face and love in her heart. It's been days since we met, I'll never forget the joys at the start. The doorbell will ring, I'll open the door and I'll feel just like singing when she's here. All the world is my friend. There've been other girls, and often I've thought this one's for me. But nothing like this, it seems that I've missed what love really should be. Seems that she's late. Nevertheless, I'll wait and I'll wait. She'll arrive. We'll laugh and be glad. She'll be here, I know. She said so, and I'll never doubt her word. Night time's around, I think I'll lie down and wait.